Peel open the package and remove the sterilised dressing. Remove the centre cutout from the frame of the dressing. Remove the sterilised securing strips from the centre cutout. Place the securing strips over the catheter wings for added security. Peel the paper liner from the paper frame dressing, exposing the adhesive surface. Place the dressing over the catheter so that the transparent film is over the insertion site. Position the soft cloth tape section over the catheter wings, with the port at the end of the deep notch. Overlap each side of the soft cloth tape underneath the port hub. Remove the paper frame, smoothing the dressing edges to increase adhesion. Place the date record label near to the dressing for documenting dressing change. Remove the date record label from the edge of the dressing. Carefully peel back the soft cloth tape section using a low and slow technique. Alternately stretch and release the film section parallel to the skin to break the adhesive bond. Carefully remove the securing strips whilst holding the catheter in place.